Start making your white coffee this way and you'll thank me later. This is an easy recipe that you can try immediately. You can try it today or tomorrow morning. With me here I have my ingredients, and for this corner I have my sugar. This is the coffee that I use, and this is what I really love. And if at all you haven't tried milk from this company, please make sure you try it because it's absolutely the best. And I have my hot water. And without further ado, let's get started. So as usual, I always bring to you the best of the best recipes, and they are very easy. So as you can see, I'm using quite a huge cup, so that takes about 2.5 spoons of sugar. Then for this sachet, I'm just going to add the whole of it. And this is how I like my coffee. If you want to impress me, make it for me this way, and I'm going to love you forever. Then I'm going to add about 2/3 of the hot water. Then I'm going to mix this till the sugar and the coffee are well dissolved. Now that I'm happy with that, I'll go in with my milk, and I'm going to cut a small section. Then this is absolutely amazing. This is perfect. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Also, make sure you do try out this recipe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.